I'm heading to the gym, but you guys know Big Storm First Class United States Army active duty here out in Hawaii. I have a soldier, let's just call him Ken. He has been trying to get his driver's license, 19, just turned 20 years old. He's on a Temp 3, did not pass a Temp 3. He has a little bit issues when it comes to turning and stuff like that. So I want to show him that I'm dedicated to him as a leader, as a human being, as a friend, that I want to help him and I'm here for his best interest. Now, what is the best way to get better at something? You train, right? Just like the Army. How do we get better? How do we do things? We train and we get better through that. With that being said, I don't have a Honda Civic for him to practice on. I don't have a Toyota Corolla for him to practice on. What I do have is a 650 horsepower, 650 feet-pounds of torque, ZL1 Camaro, best of GM, best of Chevy, here we go, for him to practice with. Yes, that is right. I'm going to let a permit holder drive my car. Yes, he may have failed his driver's test 3 times. Sure, he can crash my car. Should I really be doing this? But no, on a serious note, I want to show him that I'm here to help. I want to give him an opportunity to practice. I want him to feel the beast. And that way, if he crashed, you guys probably see the title by now. If he didn't crash, then the title is helping my soldier or helping somebody, you know, learn how to drive kind of thing. So that's what we're here for. That's what I'm here for. And I am ready to, you know, help him out, man. We are here on and off duty. It's a Sunday. You know, a lot of leaders can be at home with their family, relaxing and chilling, but I want to help him out. A few of my soldiers have been struggling on this run as well for this new Army ACFT. So, what better way? Yeah, what better way than to help them than to do it like this, right? So, let's give these guys some help and take them to the gym. Let them drive to the gym. Let them drive back. Maybe do a little yeets. I know, you know, he's probably not trying to show off, but I don't think he's ever been in a car like this, so it'd be fun to get his reaction. It'd be fun to get his opinion on driving it, and all that kind of stuff, man. So this is going to be pretty awesome. Stay tuned, guys. We will be back. Hold on. Hey, I'm pulling in now. So, we just got done working out, and I'm gonna let Grim drive. So, I'm gonna let Grim drive. I'm gonna let Grim drive, so he's gonna follow you.
Damn.
Huh? Practice. I know. Practice. I got you. I got you. Huh? We're dying. All right. Come on. Yeah, it's all auto. You can slide the chair up and shit.
What the fuck? Why are you letting me drive this?
Oh yeah, this is gonna be funny.
Oh my god.
Hey, if we die together, bro.
I won't die like this. I mean, die while driving a nice car, it's funny.
Yeah, pull, just pull the handle up on the side, pull it, no, push it up. There you go.
Oh my god, okay. Ready to die?
Yep. Nah, just like, we'll drive it just like a normal car, so, there you go. Go left, or, yeah. Oh, we're following, where was he going? Follow Maze. Put the windows down, because it's right here. Just push it. Push one time. There we go. If we're not dead, we're doing good, so it's not bad. No.
So far, so far.
Oh man, see? So I tell people, like, when it's in regular mode, it's like it's super normal. Not too bad.
Parking's gonna be so bad.
How the hell do they have a McDonald's on base? God dang it.
It's not Arby.
And we got Burger King. We should throw away our contract with Burger King and go McDonald's.
Burger King's so gross.
Burger King sucks ass. Alright, we're still alive. We are still alive, so we're doing good.
Tell me if I do something wrong.
I got you. So far, so good. Yeah. Like I said, is the only biggest thing with driving, man, is like everybody, like letting people know behind you, like what you're gonna do next. So like your indicators and stuff, like that's fine. You were driving Cooper's car, right?
Mm-hmm.
Little freaking Ultima.
Yeah.
Is there a smoothie spot around here?
Yeah, it's like right next to Starbucks.
Oh, okay. Now the new challenge is looking for parking.
I need like a spot.
Go up here,
Yeah.
and then you can just pull in by the white car.
This.
Yep.
I'm gonna do something a little illegal.
Pull through by that truck.
Yeah.
There we go. And stop. There we go. Bam. Actually, hold on. Put your foot on the brake. Put it in reverse. Go back a little bit. And stop. There we go. Shabam boogie, man. We made it. We're alive,
Thank
guys.
you.
I feel good. That was pretty easy. Just put the window up. All right.
That was fun.
All right, we're safe.
Okay.
We are safe. And that is it. See, Grim did his thing. Fuck yeah.
Some days I get quiet and get distant, cause it's the only way I can get you to listen. I didn't wanna do this, but you made me. Baby girl, you really drive me crazy. You said